Hello, and welcome to Better Healthcare. We're excited to see what you can create and grow with you on your journey through the BetterAccess platform. In this video, we'll discuss creating qualifying questions. Each appointment type has configurable qualifying questions that are independent of each other. For example, you may require qualifying questions for initial evaluations, but not follow-ups. Qualifying questions are a fully configurable questionnaire varying in yes, no, open-ended, and multiple-choice questions to further qualify prospective patients before attending their appointment. This also cuts down on front desk outreach and optimizing operational efficiency. With these questions, clients have the ability to make some, all, or none of the questions required or optional. With any required questions, patients will not be able to proceed through the booking flow without having answered the required question. After completing your first question, click the Add New Question for additional questions. While there is no limit to the number of questions allowed, we encourage you to be as concise and direct as possible to keep prospective clients invested in completing the booking flow. Use the blue up and down arrows to set the order of your questions. All required questions will automatically populate to the top of the question list. You may also want to add specific follow-up questions based on the patient's answer to an initial question. Cascading questions can help streamline the patient's experience by only showing the questions that are relevant to the patient's needs. Users can prompt subsequent cascading questions based upon user responses to yes or no questions. For example, with the yes or no question, "Do you have a referral?" If patients answer yes, you can then ask the name of the physician that referred them. However, if the patient selects no to this question, users are prompted to either continue or input a different question. To activate cascading questions, simply click the Prompt Secondary Questions Based on User Response checkbox. This will open up secondary questions that can be triggered depending on the user answers to an initial question. Next, select which answer the secondary question is dependent on. Then, choose the type of question you'd like to ask and enter the text of that question. In this case, users will be asked to enter the name of their referring physician only if they have previously selected yes to having a referral. If the initial question is required, you can designate these follow-up secondary questions as optional or required as well. Once you're done, click Save and Finish Up. Congratulations! You've successfully taken your first step towards completing the new booking flow. Repeat this process as many times as necessary to create more appointment types. If your care team would like to utilize the cascading logic feature, contact your Better Healthcare representative to enable this feature. Thank you for choosing Better Healthcare. We look forward to seeing what you create in your new BetterAccess booking flow.